Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Deescapades. So today we are going to be exploring this site called Tpad. This is a site associated with the teachers of Kenya, and its full name is Teachers Performance Appraisal and Development. So I'm going to enable you and help you fill it out, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to use a home science teacher who is going to be logging in into the site and also filling it out for the performance appraisal and development. So first of all, we have to start with the TSC number before you log in, your ID and your password. After that, you just log in and you start the process of filling in the Tpad. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to show you one-on-one on how you're going to go through the Tpad from the first step until the last step. I hope you enjoy this type of videos, guys, and if you like this type of videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.